Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
The 2019 Ford Endeavour has been launched in India with subtle updates to the exterior and interior. Unlike the previous model, the new Endeavour will only be available in two variants, Titanium and Titanium Plus. Engine options remain the same, but Ford has reintroduced the 6-speed manual transmission with a 2.2-litre diesel engine. The new 2019 Honda Civic is all set to be launched in India on 7th of March. The new Civic will come with several design changes, additional features in the cabin and the option of a diesel engine. The new Civic gets options of a 141 bhp 1.8-litre petrol engine and a 120 bhp 1.6-litre diesel engine, the same one from the CR-V. Competing the likes of Toyota Corolla Altis and Hyundai Elantra, expect the Civic to be priced somewhere about 18 lakh. Mahindra XUV300 was launched last week at a starting price of Rs 7.9 lakh for the petrol trim and Rs 8.4 lakh for the diesel one. While it is currently only available with a manual gearbox, Mahindra has confirmed that the automatic variant of the XUV300 will be launched soon. Speaking of the XUV300, the subcompact SUV segment will see a new entrant from Hyundai. Showcased about 4 years ago at the 2016 Auto Expo, Hyundai Carlino Stykes is slated to launch this year in the month of May. Ford India has announced the launch of Ford Aspire CNG with prices starting Rs 6.27 lakh for the Aspire Ambient variant and Rs 7.12 lakh for the Trent Plus variant. The new Aspire with a factory-fitted CNG will be sold through official Ford India dealerships throughout the country. Tata Motors has confirmed that the production version of the upcoming hatchback codenamed 45X will be unveiled during the 2019 Geneva Motor Show next month. When launched in India, the production version 45X will compete with the likes of Hyundai i20 and Maruti Suzuki Baleno. Moving over to motorcycles now. Honda Two-Wheelers India just got a big launch out of the way with the CB300R, and now the CBR650R is next in line. 2019 Honda CBR650R will replace the 650F, and Honda has officially opened the bookings for the motorcycle at just Rs 15,000, with deliveries likely to begin in April. Honda claims that they will launch the bike under Rs 8 lakh, making it cheaper than the motorcycle it is replacing. After experiencing a slow sales period for a very long time, Kawasaki is now making a comeback, launching the most affordable parallel twin, the most affordable liter class and a middleweight super sport as well. And now Versys 650 owners have the chance to replace their motorcycles for the new Versys 1000 with exchange benefits of up to Rs 6 lakh.